of you. Okay, so voice, last discussion means last rule that we need to discuss, future tense and models. Okay, so rule is simple. Subject, model auxiliary, plus first form of the verb plus object. This is the structure in active voice. Is it okay? Yes. Model auxiliary also includes will, future tense also. Clear? Yes. Is it okay? Yes. So now, Tushar is also absent. Tanisha also. Okay, so now when we need to change this, we are supposed to write object, means we interchange the places, plus same model, no need to change, right? And then be, and then third form of the verb as, right? What? Continuous tense we have done, na? No. No. Is it okay? So it is subject, model plus first form of the verb. The change is that model, then be, and then third form of the verb. So in case we have this, we will write, no need to change it into would. Okay? Can, may, may, not might. Is it okay? Clear? Now one more rule. Yes, Anshika, no change. One more rule is, that is perfect tense. Can you tell me the change? Wait. It's okay. Object plus, okay, will plus have plus, why? Why? Yes, been plus third form, and then why? Why been? Because this is in perfect form, future perfect. Is it okay? So in future perfect also, we will follow the same rule, that is, we will use been. Got it? Yes. Simple? Yes. Very simple? Yes. Okay, then get ready for the sentences. Let's write down the sentences. What? Mayank. Fifth is the girls set the table. Okay, then. That's it. Done? Done? The disease. So the first sentence, Pinky was watching a cartoon film. Okay, Somil? Okay, a cartoon film was being watched by Pinky. Correct answer? Right? So it is a cartoon film was being watched by Pinky. Next is Mayank had solved the problem. Bableen had been solved by Mayank. Okay. The problems had been solved by Mayank. Correct, Anshika. Next is the postman will have delivered the letters. The postman will have delivered the letters. Akshat, the postman will have delivered the letters. The letters. The letters. No, Guntas. The letters will be delivered by the postman. No. Yes, Vedanti. Yes, the letters will have been delivered by the postman because perfect tense. Right? Perfect tense. So you have to introduce. Yes. So the letters will have been delivered by the postman. Angel. Okay, the thief is not caught by the police officer. Okay, the thief is not. Anshika, it's is. Does present tense, right? So the thief is not caught by the police officer. Next, the table is set by the girls. Correct? Yes, the table is set by the girls because the third form of set is right. Next, okay, Rhythm. You was not recognized by her. Next answer. No. You were. You were. Second means yes, with you we use were, plural. Okay. So it is you were not recognized by her. Is it okay? Saumil's turn, done. Manisha? Dinner might be cooked by Ram. Next is, okay, Garvit. Okay, her birthday will be celebrated by. Seventh is dinner might be cooked. And eighth is her birthday will be celebrated by us. And then ninth is ninth, Okay, Priyansh. One mistake. You are not supposed to change the model. If can is used, you have to use can. So the disease can be cured by this medicine, not that medicine. Eighth is her birthday will be celebrated by us. And ninth is the disease can be cured by this medicine, not that medicine. Yes, Sadhika? No, we will not change it here. No. Done? Yes. No. Actually, you can also. Done? Done? Okay, now. Now I'm going to write sentences, means in combination, narration and voice. You have to identify whether it is narration or it is voice. And then you have to change accordingly. Obviously, you have to change. Means I'm not going to give the caption, give the title, change into indirect speech or change into passive. I will write the sentences. Next sentences. Got it? Okay, then let's begin. Yes, Anshika. Just to confuse you. Come in. That's it. Done? What? Changing something to make it new. Okay, Anshika, done. Discussion? No? Okay. Okay, from tomorrow I'll use Anshika. Is it okay, Anshika? So let's start. Sonia reads a book every week. Okay, Rhythm.
Ma'am, this is a voice.
Hmm.
A book is read by Sonia every week.
Okay, a book is read by Sonia every week, correct? Yes. So a book is read
Read by Sonia every week.
by Sonia every week. Okay, Parisha? Okay, our apartment was being renovated by us. Correct? Our apartment was being, yes, being, don't miss being, was being renovated by us. Is it okay? Our apartment was being renovated by us. Then is Vedanti. Okay, Radha asked if I had brought my pen. Correct? Radha asked if I had brought my pen. Okay, correct. Correct, Anshika. Then next, okay, Somil.
Rajan said that he would watch a horror movie that night.
Okay, Rajan said that he would watch a horror movie that night. Rajan said that he would watch a horror movie that night. Yes, Angel. Okay, the ball was caught by the fielder, right? Okay, then last, Radha said Harry was trying to contact me yesterday. Yes.
Radha said that Henry had been trying to contact me the previous day.
Contact her. Radha said that Harry had been trying to contact her the previous day. Is it okay? Correct? Now one more thing. What if this sentence is like, now what? Akshat? Ram said that the fielder had caught the ball. Otherwise, the answer was the ball was caught by the fielder. Now, if it is narration, then Ram said that the fielder had caught the ball. Is it okay?
Yes.
Correct? I hope you have understood this. Yes? Okay. So, Monday and Tuesday we will discuss literature, right, for revision test, and then Wednesday clauses. Is it okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask. No? Sure? Okay.